Hello everyone, I'm Pep Travetti, and welcome to a new episode of Plus Plus Adventures. This is just going to be a little, very quick setup guide, time for CC Plus. Now, if I follow this link here, which you can see the URL at the top part of the screen, takes me to OS X Daily. So if you want to copy the URL and see the entire instructions to how to install this without installing Xcode, because it's a very heavy program, you can do it. So you can program on your Mac. However, there's other things that you can do for Windows, and I'll leave the links down in the description, so you guys can also read the descriptions and all that to do this. Now, this is for OS X Mavericks, which I hate, so I have not updated it. So what I did is actually follow this link right over here, take me to OS X Daily, install GCC without Xcode in Mac OS X, and this is a prior version. So what I do is register to Apple's developer program and download the files from there. From that, what you can do is on Terminal, you can start programming and compiling programs. Now, I already gave it a shot here. This is probably a little bit too high for you. I already gave it a shot, and it works here. As you can see, it did this, which is not the only way to program like this. There's some people that over here say return 0, and that's what they do to get these values. After that, they just do it like this. Compile the program with the word G++, which is what you are actually downloading with the setup that I showed you at the very beginning. And then the name, as you can see, the name is Hey Everybody, because that's what I printed, CPP. That's the extension you want to use when you edit your text in order to get your code in C++ language. That's how it will get it recognized. I'll go into a little bit more detail with that. Now, as you can see, expected a comma after return statement. Now, this is a mistake. This is what you need to do for debugging and whatnot. This will display whenever there's something wrong in the compiler. So you go like this, then put the semicolon. You gotta save it. You gotta compile it again. So make sure that you get the name right every time. And there you go, it compiled correctly. As nothing appeared, no news is good news. And what you're gonna do now is run it. To run it, you go it's /, which means search in the same directory. And then we're gonna call it a.out. Out means that it's gonna display something. And let's see this. There you go. Hey everybody, it's Pepper Favetti, and it already did it. Now, there was nothing changed in the code. So as I said, the results may be the same, the code is a little bit different. Now, what is this code? Let me create a new one over here. What you want to do is, same as this one, include, and you're going to go less than iOS stream. What is this? This is, let me put it as stream. Now, this is the environment in which you will do this. Later, int main. What is this? That int main. And this is very important because the parentheses, you have to open them and close them right there to indicate that the command is finished. Over here, you can see this error, int main, expected something afterwards to indicate that it's finished. You can do a semicolon. I'm doing parentheses because I'm following this book right over here. It's called How to Think Like a Computer Scientist. I will also leave a link in the description so that you guys can download it and learn at your own leisure if you want. So that's also going to be down in the description. So as you can see, it has a comment over here, and it uses the include IO stream using namespace std. I'm not using that. I'm actually using std double dots. So it's std column, and then C out, which means it's going to output it on the C format. Then you're going to go string. This is called string. Of course, before I forget, you have to open, keys. Close that, C out, and I'm gonna output something which is reference to one of my previous videos, actually my first video on YouTube. Hello, everybody of the world. This is the first thing I said on YouTube, and I'm sorry for the bad grammar. I didn't know how to speak English, but it's just a reference to my first video ever here on YouTube. So that's what I'm going to do. And just so that it's not like that, we're going to string another one, and it's going to say end. Let me space it, end. Oh, And with that, it should, let's, oh, actually, this is std colon end all. If you don't do that, it won't output the way that you want it to, so that's the way. Afterwards, we're gonna go return 0, and we're gonna close the keys over there. Close them, and it should be finished according to this. So yeah, it's pretty much the same. We're gonna save this as a new thing. This is gonna be called, it's not, we don't want it to be called include iOS stream, so let's just save it as hello world.cpp. You don't forget the extension. If you don't save it like that, it won't count it as code, and you will not get, yeah, there you go, you will not get these. The colors are the codes in which the compiler is going to read it. So now I come over here, try to compile it again. This time, let me go all the way down. There we go. G++ is the command you want to use to compile in the format. Then you're going to go hello world.cpp. You have to write it complete every single time, just the way that you wrote it before. It's on the same directory, so I don't have any problem. But before I forget, when you're using your terminal, go cd, and then you're on your entire hard drive. So then cd, I'm gonna go desktop, and then I'm gonna go to the directory that I have this in the folder called Segundo Semestre. There you go. Slash at the end of the name. This other slash over here at the beginning of the desktop does not have to exist, because if that's the case, then you would be entering a folder within a folder within a folder. So it's not like that, it's just like that. Now we're in second semester, as you can see right over here, and what we're going to do is G++, hello, remember to put a space every time, hello world.cpp. We do that, there's an error. We didn't write it over here. So always remember to debug afterwards. We gotta, okay, it's saved. We gotta compile it again. Hello world.cpp. And hello everybody, there is once again no semicolon. Let us save and compile again. G++, hello world.cpp. And there you go, no news is good news, and now we're gonna run it, /a.out. And there you go, hello everybody of the world. First statement I said on YouTube, reference, and that's the way that you set up a very simple environment for C++ programming on Mac. So thank you guys so very much for watching this episode of Plus Plus Adventures, and I'll see you guys next time with some more programming stuff. Later.